वालेकुम
Naveen, can you please share the other PPT? Mhm.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम सर। वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
यस। हेलो।
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. What happened, all of you?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
Sorry for the
What?
inconvenience today. Let's start
आज
the
के
orientation.
हम्म,
अभी मैं थोड़ी सी बात कर लेती हूँ इसके ऊपर, फिर उसके बाद आपके जो भी क्वेश्चन होंगे हम फिर उस पर डिस्कस कर लेंगे।
ओके।
Okay, let's start.
जी, आज का जो हमारा सेशन है वो ओरिएंटेशन बेस पे है। थोड़ा इशू आ गया था इंटरनेट पे और कुछ कनेक्शन में मीटिंग ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रही थी, उसकी वजह से थोड़ा डिले हो गया है। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले ये हमारा, जैसे कि हमने आपको बताया है कि एक 4 वीक लर्नशिप प्रोग्राम होगा। इस ओरिएंटेशन में हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि हम इसके अंदर करने क्या वाले हैं। इसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगी क्या हमारे इसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं और क्या हम सेशन डिस्कस। Let's talk about what is the Learnship program. The Learnship program is a comprehensive 4 weeks internship designed to provide essential knowledge and about careers and important skills for future graduates or current graduates. This program will cover crucial but basic information that everyone entering the workforce should know. It will be conducting in a hybrid format with both online and in-person sessions. ये सेशन जो है हमारे पास 4 वीक लंबा एक इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम होगा, जिसके अंदर हमने डिफरेंट एबिलिटीज के ऊपर बात करनी है, डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स के ऊपर बात करनी है। ये एक हाइब्रिड प्रोग्राम है जो कि ऑनलाइन सेशंस के साथ चलेगा और इन पर्सन सेशंस के साथ भी चलेगा। इसमें हमने डिफरेंट स्पीकर्स को इंक्लूड करना है जो आपके सेशंस लिया करेंगे और आपको सारी उनकी एक्सपर्टीज आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे। हम इसके अंदर कुछ जब डबल सेशन शेयर करेंगे, जब जो स्पीकर्स हैं वो अपना सारा आपको प्रोग्राम वगैरह बता देंगे, सारी हमारी सेशंस हो जाएंगे, तो आप उसके अंदर अपनी असेसमेंट्स के थ्रू आप सारा नेक्स्ट डिस्कस कर सकते हैं कि हमने किस तरह करना है। आपके क्वेश्चनिंग के लिए भी एक अलग अलग से हमने सेशन रखा हुआ होगा। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। आई थिंक देयर इज एन इशू, आई विल टॉक अबाउट इट। हम सबसे पहले जो हमारा सेशन होगा वो है ईमेल राइटिंग पे। ईमेल राइटिंग पे और प्रपोजल राइटिंग और जो रिपोर्ट राइटिंग है, इन दिस प्रोग्राम वी विल discuss about some techniques for crafting clear and concise emails for professional communication, structuring proposals to effectively present ideas and secure approval. We can also talk about how to organize reports to convey information comprehensively and coherently. The next part session we'll be discussing resume writing and statement of purpose. In resume writing, we will discuss what are the mistakes normally graduates or new workers in the workforce do. We will try to remove all these issues, types of making resumes and SOPs stand out to recruiters, what they really want in their workers. We will discuss that type of things in this session. And the next session will be art of public speaking and negotiation. Sometimes we know that students do lack in this part, and we will discuss how we can strategize for upcoming public speaking anxiety and delivering impactful speeches. Key negotiation tactics for achieving desired outcomes. रिपोर्टिंग एथिक्स एंड स्टोरी टेलिंग में हम ये डिस्कस कर लेंगे कि किस तरह से हम एथिकल कंसिडरेशंस इन जर्नलिज्म एंड मीडिया रिपोर्टिंग में कर सकते हैं. हम टेक्निक्स फॉर क्रिएटिंग एंगेजिंग एंड इंफॉर्मेटिंग स्टोरीज को डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. And storytelling and report writing is a big thing for balancing truth, biasness, and sensitivity in reporting. We will be discussing this in this session. Essential of business and entrepreneurship. We will discuss the fundamental principles of starting and managing a business, importance of innovation and risk management of entrepreneurship, what kind of issues we face while doing our own business, and what stability we really require in this thing. Corporate ethics and work manners are very important and crucial part in a professional. Understanding and implementing corporate ethical standards, importance of professional behavior and etiquettes in workplace, all these things will be covered in this session. We will be hiring speakers. They will be having two type of sessions with you. The next part is welfare related, which we will be speaking about leading the charge in climate and environmental crisis. In this part, we will be discussing what kind of problems or environment is facing right now, how we can play our part in the climate change. Then sustainable development program, development goals and progress. This is a very important part. Overview for the United Nations Sustainable Program, progress made globally and locally towards achieving SDGs, what kind of issues we are facing and what the progress have done. We will be discuss this in this program. And next, challenges that Pakistan is facing currently. We know that Pakistan is facing economic instability and unemployment issues, security concerns, and terrorism threats, social challenges including education, health, and poverty. All these things will be covered in this session. Next, we will discuss what are the roles of authorities in Pakistan, functions and responsibilities of local, provincial, and federal authorities, what kind of role they are playing in our country, impact of governance on public services and infrastructure, coordination between various levels of government authorities. We will also discuss about roles of important state institutions. We will discuss the overview of key state institutions such as judiciary, legislatures, and executives. We will also discuss the importance of institutional check and balance. Next, we will talk about the salient features of constitutional. Fundamental rights and freedom guaranteed by the constitution, we all know that, and in this salient features we will discuss what kind of rights we all require and what our country give us rights. Political system of Pakistan. We will discuss the structure and functioning of Pakistan's parliamentary democracy, roles of political parties and electoral process. Also, we will discuss about the current affairs. Current affairs are the key points of national and international events that are impacting Pakistan. This will also be covered in these sessions. And economic crisis, as always, I talk about economic crisis, what kind of crisis Pakistan is facing, causes and impacts of economic crisis, government policies and measures to address economic challenges. All these will be covered in the economic crisis part. The next workshop will be on academic development. Economic development में हमारे पास आ जाता है कि research skills कौन कौन सी हैं. रिसर्च स्किल्स के ऊपर हम बात करेंगे कि रिसर्च स्किल्स कितनी जरूरी है कि कोई जो हमारे पास एक प्रोफेशनल है उसके उसके अंदर कितनी कैपेबिलिटी है कि वो रिसर्च स्किल्स किस तरह से कर सकता है. Importance of research in academic life and personal life. Both of these things will be covered in research skills. We will also work on the personal development. Maybe we will start from time management and discipline, how important this is in a professional's life. Mental health and stress management. This is very important in today's generation. We will also discuss about this. We will invite speakers. They will discuss about mental health and stress management. Also, we will discussing about how the importance of education in our lives and how important education is for every student, and this is also our right. Digital skills and awareness में हम बात करेंगे cyber crime awareness की. We will talk about how this can help in all the crimes that we are facing nowadays on social media. Introduction of freelancing and e-commerce. We will also hiring some speakers who will talk about how important freelancing in today's world and what is the importance of e-commerce. We will also have a separate session for digital marketing. This is very important for today's kids, that they should be independent and they can learn some specific skills. LinkedIn session, we will also hiring a person. We also have one person from our coordinator team. He will be contacting with you guys, and we will work on LinkedIn session. The most important part of this orientation and this learnership is that we will be giving certificates. Certificates will be giving all of you on the ceremony day. हम एक सेरेमनी रखेंगे जिसके अंदर एजुकेशनल रिलेटेड अथॉरिटीज को बुलाया जाएगा, और जिस तरह आपने जिस बच्चे ने जो जो काम किया होगा, जो जो हमने जैसे असेसमेंट दी होंगी, साथ में जो बच्चा अच्छा काम करेगा उसको अवार्ड दिए जाएंगे उस दिन पे. और कुछ हमारे पास ई सर्टिफिकेट्स भी होंगे, जैसे आपको अगर कोई सेपरेट सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए तो उसकी फी चार्ज की जाएगी. और एक्सपीरियंस है कि आप साथ साथ जो सब कुछ सीख रहे होंगे, जो हमारे पास स्पीकर्स आ रहे हैं किस तरह आपको वो हेल्प करेंगे, एक एक्सपीरियंस तो आप सबको मिलेगा ही. इसमें जो सेशन फॉर्मेट है, each session will feature an expert speaker selected by the president based on their expertise in this. I have covered this above also, that we will be featuring a speaker and volunteer participants chosen from the role will serve as coordinators for workshop. A team of 4 coordinators will be assigned to each workshop category. The speaker decide coordinators will be responsible for the designing and conducting the practice sessions. The president will multi-classly select coordinators following through analysis and evaluation. All of